Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch T1 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So find the icon of the app and tap on it to open it. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on device icon and here you should see Mibro Watch T1 on the device page. Now scroll down and at the bottom you should see the button called delete device. Tap on delete device, tap on confirm and the message unbound successfully should appear. Now we can close the app. If you go back to your watch, it should still be working. Now we can go back to, or rather we can go check the Bluetooth settings on our phone. So if you open the Bluetooth settings, check if the watch is right here on the list of paired devices. In my case it's not, so we can just close the settings. But if it was, you can tap on settings or info icon next to it, tap on unpair or delete to forget it. And once you unpair it from the settings, it's done, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.